And there it is. We are back with break 408. Final break of the night, guys. 6 boxes of Bowman Chrome Hobby and 2 boxes of HTA. Our final Bowman Chrome boxes. This is it. This is it, guys and gals. Let's continue the madness. 408. Antonio with the Diamondbacks and Braves. Jesse with the Orioles. Thomas with the Red Sox. Philip C with the Cubs. David H with the White Sox. Reds go to Craig B. Philip L with the Guardians. Emery with the Rockies. Aaron with the Tigers. Emery with the Astros. Chad with the Royals. Angels and Dodgers going to Eric G. Antonio with the Marlins. Dustin S with the Brewers. Twins. Emery. Antonio C. Yankees. Jared with the Mets. Antonio C. Athletics. Jeffrey C. with the Phillies. Zachary C.'s back with the Pirates and Padres. Andrew Y. with the Giants. Kyle P. with the Mariners. St. Louis going to Jeffrey S. Andrew Y. with the Rays. Zachary C. with the Rangers. Toronto for Tyler and Daniel with the Nationals. Congratulations to everybody who won their teams. Thank you for paying on time. Appreciate you choosing us for your breaking needs. Now let's embrace the chase, yo. I think I'm going to do what I did last week, which is I'm going to do 3 and 1, 3 and 1. So I'm going to open 3 of these and 1 HTA and then 3 and then HTA. You know what I'm saying, right? How's everyone doing? Hopefully everyone had a good week. It is Christmas week next week, so that's crazy that we're already there. We're getting to Christmas already. I think it's like super dark. All right, box 2. This is our last weekend for this year, you guys. So tomorrow night is our last night breaking for 2022. We're going to take 2 weeks off, and then we'll be back in the new year. Nice and fresh for you guys. Nice and fresh. We'll get a manicure. Anything else I do you wouldn't know, so I'm not even going to mention it. I mean, the only thing you'll know is the manicure. This is how quickly these conversations end. Why? Well, you're the one that ends them. Nobody asked you to end them. Talk about your Brazilian wax. How's that going to help anybody? Right? Who's going to know? How's that help anyone? To be honest. We will, Tyler. But, I mean, you should probably shave your arm. How many people get top loaders with a little piece of your arm hair in it? You know what I mean? That's probably a good idea since you're top loading all their cards. They're probably all wondering, what the hell is this from? That's called a relic. It's called an arc relic. I tried. All right. It came for a Perez, a Drew Baker first, a Zavala first, George Kirby rookie, Austin Wells insert, O'Neal Cruz. Okay, we got Contreras rookie, insert of Perez. A green of Morobel first. That's going to be numbered to 99, 30 of 99 for Texas Rangers. Zachary. Let's see what else we got here. CJ Abrams rookie. And Anthony Gutierrez, 85 to 99, green refractor.
You're an asshole, Tyler.
Texas Rangers. What do you say?
Was it blonde?
If it was get a hair of 2. Yeah, of course she did. I'm telling you, man.
If it was blonde, it was Jenny.
It wasn't blonde. Carson Williams, insert. Andrew Vaughn. Little fuchsia action to 299, 283 to 299.
That's the Rangers.
The Rangers is going to be Zachary C.
Nice.
Anthony Gutierrez first. Arias first. Bobby Miller insert. Veras first. The Montgomery insert. A Castro rookie. And a Joey Gallo for the New York Yankees. Nice little aqua wave. 81 of 199 for the Yanks. Joey Gallo. Very nice. A Bruhan rookie. A is a J-Rod rookie. And a Nathan Hickey out of 150 Blue Wave refractor. First Bowman Nathan Hickey for Boston Red Sox. Congratulations, Boston. Thomas H. 105 to 150. Nice looking auto. Lewis Gill rookie. O'Neal Cruz rookie insert. First Prieto. First Cueva. Come on, man. Stay here. A Fuchsia Eric Hernandez for the White Sox. Fuchsia Shimmer. 169 to 199. Say that fast. Fuchsia Shimmer. Eric Hernandez. Ricardo Cabrera first. Simon Juan first. That was box one, guys. Who's the top guy? You said?
The hit you've made. One of the top guys for Zach. Texas guy.
Oh, yeah. Certainly. Let me see if I can keep giving the cards closer and closer, because we'll check out his arm. She's going to have to grab him.
Talking about mine?
Yeah.
You can't see
You
it.
can't see it. You got to get in here.
He said check out his arm.
I'm going to have you prune all my bushes from now on, because obviously you got protection.
Hater.
What's that? I'm a hater? Oh, the first auto, yeah. Tyler's got the Blue Jays for Toronto. All right. Who's here watching besides the Nightbot and Tyler? Call out your teams. Call out your players. Have some fun. You paid good money for it. I mean, it's not a funeral, guys. Tell me what I'm looking for. Tell me what you want to see. Got a fantastic deal on this. So let's enjoy it. Here we go. Spencer Torkelson, rookie. Curtis Mead, insert. Bergola first. Bincho first. Wander Franco, rookie. Christian Hernandez, insert. Velasquez first. McLean first. Eric Hernandez, that's going to be a chrome to $4.99. That's 38 of $4.99 for the Chicago White Sox.
He said it's a fatty.
What?
Tyler just wants a fatty.
Oh, you want a fatty? Mesa. Cooper Bowman for the New York Yankees on card auto. Not number. There you go. Marcello Meyer insert. Rookie of Alec Thomas. A shimmer of Blaze Jordan for Boston. Nick Lodolo rookie. Yolbert Sanchez insert. Confidan first. And then Bobby Witt Jr. rookie. Insert of Colson Montgomery. Meja first. Vaquero first. A purple Christian Yelich for Milwaukee. That's to 250, 221 to 250, Milwaukee Brewers. A purple refractor. De Jesus first. Chorio first. Ivan Johnson insert. O'Neal Cruz insert. A Nelson Velasquez for the Chicago Cubs. That's an Invicta. Dominos Padre Sancti. We got It Came for Watson. All right. Did we get 2 autos in this? We didn't.
One?
Nope, 1 auto in this. We're only going to double check, but No points, no nothing. It's not Panini, I guess. So. Nope, no, just one auto in this box. Boo. Let's say on average. They contain redemption cards with expiration dates. 2 chrome autos per master box. Well, there better be 3 in here. I didn't miss it, right?
You still know on that.
What's that?
Oh, it's right here. There it is.
See? I knew it was
insert, yeah. He wrote on the insert.
Ivan Johnson, you see? Eagle Eye. David.
David caught it.
David.
David.
Good for you, David. If I had a prize, I'd give it to you, David. And it's numbered to 3 or 8. 87. 64 of 87. Nice catch on that. Very good catch. Thank you, David. You're hired. Need a job? Tyler's obviously sleeping on the
Tyler's
job.
probably rewinding. He's like, let me go back.
Tyler was sleeping, looking for his churro. He said he was looking for a one-on-one churro.
Tyler, because I asked you last time, I said rewind.
Listen, guys, we got checks and balances here. We got DVR, we got Eagle Eye Tyler, we got everything. And apparently
David's hired.
David's obviously paying attention finally. Oh, look at that. Josh decides to show up.
He said 2 weeks off.
Yeah, man. Josh? You can't talk. You just came back from a nice tropical vacation, so what the hell? I gotta rest these hands, man. You ever heard of arthritis? The only thing I want to do during vacation is hold my drink, so I just gotta do this. Maybe I'll double fist it. That didn't look good. All right, we'll stop right there. All right. Box 3. We got Austin. Now I'm going to be staring at these to make sure. Austin Wellens, Hunter Green rookie, Royce Lewis rookie, O'Neal Cruz insert, Josh Lowe rookie, Suzuki rookie, George Springer for the Toronto Blue Jays. There you go, Tyler. That's a purple refractor, 169 to 250. 169 to 250, purple, George Springer. De Los Santos first, Colas first. And we have CJ Rodriguez for the A's. 95 of 499 auto. Chrome auto of CJ Rodriguez. Congrats, A's. Antonio. Joey Veemer first. Don Kahn first. Perez insert. There's an Artiega Invicta. Almost. Willie Vasquez first. De La Cruz rookie. It came for Perez. Alec Thomas rookie. Bobby Miller insert. Samuel Munoz first. Alexis Hernandez first. Nick Lodolo rookie. Insert of Marcelo Meyer. Bobby Witt Jr. rookie. Harry Ford to 499 for Seattle. It's a Chrome. 49 to 499. 49 to 499 Chrome. Balcazar first. A Jack Herman first for Pittsburgh. Zachary's got an auto of Jack Herman. There you go, Zachary. Mercedes first. De Andrade first. Insert of Colson Montgomery. Placencia first. Vasquez first. Maybe. Fuchsia Shimmer of Willie Vasquez for Tampa Bay. To 199. 146 of 199. Willie Vasquez. Willie Festergash? I'll ask. Fernandez first. Grab some triple threads for the big 2023. We'll see, man. We're going to have this whole discussion about 2023. Formula One, WWE, Cabbage Pail Kids. We're doing it all. Tennis. We're going to do one of these HTA boxes here.
Dodgeball.
Dodgeball, yes. Now you're talking my language.
Dodgeball's making a comeback.
I would say that's a good idea. All right, guys, what do we got here? We got a blue first. Mojo auto of Junior Perez. Junior Perez, 122 of 150. Blue Mojo. Junior Perez for the A's. That's Antonio. Beautiful, beautiful. The auto's shit. The card is beautiful. That's just my opinion. Then there's Yendry Rojas. San Diego first. Shortstop. Yendry Rojas for San Diego. That's for Zachary.
Definitely Tyler, agree.
Star Wars for sure. UFC for sure. And Willie Fanas for the New York Mets. Willie Fanas. That's an auto.
Willie's proud of it, though.
Willie, Mr. Gosh. Anyway, all right. Well, that was the first one. Let's keep going. Yeah, man, we're gonna do it all next year. And do it all. And we're gonna do it live. I don't know what else we can do out there that's. Hell, we'll break like Brookfield Zoo favorite animals or something.
If you can get your hands on Star Wars Black Chrome. Is that what you were going to get?
Yeah. Oh, come on. You know the Birds are going to win. Why? What a dumb question that is. Josh, I mean, I'll make a bet with you just for the hell of it. If you want to bet, I'll bet you.
Just for a bet.
Just for a bet. What do you want to bet?
How much, Josh? Do
you want to bet like under over? Or do you want to bet just straight up win-loss? Just so I have some reason to watch the Bears. Otherwise, I have no reason to watch the Bears. If I got action on it. Yeah, that is true. Alan Ginter's certainly like a zoo. Carnival. Freak shows. Where are we playing? Are we playing in Chicago or at Philly? Anybody know? Because we're playing in Chicago.
Gosh. Yeah. Never did my picks for this.
It's like, what the hell? This man's like, shit.
Because I love.
You never made your picks?
I lost out on the game from last night.
Yes, you did.
God. Why don't you call me about these things?
Let's look. I'm getting guessed. It's my fault. It's gonna be in Chi-Town.
It is.
I'll take the +9. I'll certainly take the +9. What do you want, Josh? Name your price. I'll take the +9 for Chi-Town.
It's gonna be ugly.
It's gonna be ugly. Ivan Johnson.
He's not even holding back.
Anthony Rizzo. Jackson Jobe, insert. Castro rookie. Ooh, nice. Giancarlo Stanton, yellow. For the New York Yankees to 75, 22 of 75. Nice little banana. We'll call this the banana chrome refractor. Banana refractor. Some crazy names for these cards nowadays. There's a J-Rod rookie. There's a Friedel to 99. Green of 99 for Cincinnati rookie. DJ Friedel. First, Munoz, Hernandez, Lewis Gill rookie, Bruhan rookie, insert Merrill. A shimmer of Joey Veemer. First for Milwaukee. Balcazar first. Nick Gonzalez insert. Mercedes first. Andrade. Contreras rookie. Kirby rookie. Insert of Jordan. Plasencia first. Vasquez first. And O'Neill rookie. And a Jake Berger. Aqua Wave for the White Sox. Throwback jerseys. 169 to 199. Chicago White Sox, Jake Berger, rookie. That's cool. Fernandez first. And Edinson Paulino, shortstop for Boston first. That should be decent. Congrats, Boston. Thomas H. Velasquez insert. A George Valera, Invicta, Spiritu Sancti. CJ Abrams, rookie. It came for Perez, De Los Santos, and Colas. A dinosaur fossil? No, have not. Have not pulled that. I remember pulling hair once, but it wasn't like recent. It was last year's. I bought like packs at the store, and there was like a piece of hair. I don't remember who it was.
Package that.
That's right. It's Art's hair. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna call it his relic hair. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. He's a hairy man. Obviously, we're.
What is going on?
This guy's own personal sweater on right now. We call it. Nickname is Fleece. We call him Art Fleece. And guess what? We're almost done, and you're not falling asleep yet. So I'm keeping you up.
Something's working.
I think the 4 on Friday was a good idea.
It is. It is good.
All right, come on, man. Let's finish up strong. Let's pull like a 1 of 1. I haven't had a 1 of 1 in a while, like a really good 1 of 1.
Okay. Pull the big one on this product. That would be crazy.
Remember the first break we did? We had like those 2 rookies from Milwaukee that everybody went nuts over. We got their autos, and then kind of died down ever since then.
Those were loose boxes.
Those were loose, yeah. So you never know. Sealed case or loose boxes, you don't know. Nobody knows. All right. Here we go. Box 4-5. Velade rookie. Ivan Johnson insert. Joe Ryan. Curtis Mead insert. First Paulino. Ramos rookie. A fuchsia of Danny Andrade. That's going to be to 199, 138 to 199 for the Minnesota Twins. A little schmutz over here. Not me. Eric Hernandez first. James Triantos first. Shane Baz rookie. Mackenzie Gore rookie. Liam Spence for the Chicago Cubs first. Shortstop.
What's up, Zach? How are you, man?
Zach's alive! What's up, Zach?
Thanks for popping in, brother.
Wilman Diaz, insert. Bobby Witt Jr., that's going to be chrome to 499. 9 of 499 for the Kansas City Royals. Nice little chrome refractor of Bobby Witt Jr. We got Khalil Watson. It came for Khalil Watson. Jose Tena insert. Kirby rookie. Luis Rodriguez insert. O'Neal Cruz rookie, Contreras rookie, a Juan Soto for Washington, a purple 141 to 250 refractor. Arias first. Congratulations! You've got a Bowman Chrome Prospect autograph of Christian Franklin for the Chicago Cubs, Philip C. Congratulations, Chicago Cubs. Yeah, I love these. They tell you who it is.
Yep. Make it easy.
Zavala first. Gutierrez first. CJ Abrams rookie. Insert of Peguero, I should say. Fanas first. Drew Baker first. And a purple shimmer of Robert Hassell for San Diego. 27 to 250. That's for Zachary. 27 to 250 purple shimmer, Robert Hassell. All right.
Not bad.
Last box, and then we got the final HTA. And this will be it for the Chrome. We will be all done with Chrome. All we have left tomorrow for baseball is the Allen Ginter. And we have the final boxes, final boxes of the case of first off the line Bowman. No, not Bowman. Chrome. No, Donruss Optic.
Yes.
Yeah, Donruss Optic. Yeah, Donruss Optic baseball. First off the line, the final 7 boxes of our case. And that's it for baseball. So we have some soccer tomorrow. We have some WNBA. Don't listen to me, guys. I'm a big dumb animal.
And then we're signing off.
Signing off till 2023. Can't believe we're almost there. But we are. Walker does not want to come out. What the hell? All right. Good luck, everyone. He says, I love a good purple shimmer. Well, good. You got yourself a nice purple. You got some other nice cards. Sure, you'll see them in a review.
You got a couple autos.
Yeah, you got autos. You got autos in the last one. You got autos in... Yeah, good stuff. Zachary's always... He's like a bloodhound. He could smell it. He's like, oh, I know what team I'm buying today.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, all the autos come from that team. Bloodhound Zach.
He's got a spreadsheet somewhere.
Yeah, he's got something. He's got like algorithm somewhere. As soon as I see Zach's names, I'm like, oh man. Obviously, we know what we're pulling tonight. All right, here we go. Hunter Green rookie, Royce Lewis rookie, Tanya. Insert first Baker, first Zavala, Suzuki rookie, Lowe rookie. Ooh, nice. Nice O'Neal Cruz for the Pirates. Bowman Ascensions. Very nice. Don't pull those very often. Those are cool. There you go, Pittsburgh. Wonder who has that card. Oh, that's right. It's Zachary. Nice hit. Very nice.
That's a really... I like these. These are sick,
Yeah.
man.
Willie Fanas. Josh Lowe rookie. A James Wood for San Diego Speckle. How about a Speckle San Diego? To 299, 211 to 299. Probably use a Speckle San Diego. James Wood for Mr. Zachary. De La Cruz rookie. And for New York Mets, we got a cracked ice to 163 of Kevin Kendall. Shortstop, Kevin Kendall. First Bowman, cracked ice, 63 of 100. For Jared. Nice hit, Jared. With cracked ice auto. 63 of 100. A Pineda insert. A Joey Gallo New York Fuchsia to 299. 251 to 299. Joey Gallo Fuchsia. James Triantos first. Paulino first. It came for Colson Montgomery. Brian Acuna first. Eric Hernandez first. Insert of Cowser. For Chicago Cubs, Pete Crow Armstrong, little fuchsia shimmer. That's going to be number 199, 138 of 199 for the Cubbies. Anthony Gutierrez first, Arias first. Rookie of Lodolo, Zach Thompson insert, Cabrera first. Simon Juan first. Bobby Witt Jr. rookie, Jordan Lawler insert. And Gerard Gonzalez for Kansas City first. Shortstop, second baseman. Gerard Gonzalez for KC. For Chad. And we have purple Mookie Betts for LA Dodgers. The 250, 94 of 250, little purple refractor. And that'll do it for the hobby, guys. Our last and second HTA. Here we go, everyone. Good luck, everyone. Let's finish super strong here. We got Zachary in the house. I'm sure we will. Our first card is a green rookie of Mike Bowman for Baltimore. 37/99 Jesse. 37/99 green refractor Mike Bowman. There you go. Next one is a first of Alex DeJesus, shortstop. First Bowman auto. Alex DeJesus for the Dodgers. Eric G. Congrats. And our final card of the night is, of course, a gold shimmer for Zachary. Samuel Zavala, 45 of 50. First Bowman, gold shimmer, 45 of 50. Congratulations, Zachary. No Vladdy tonight. Love the gold shimmer matching the jersey colors. That's just such a nice looking card.
Beautiful card, man.
Very nice. Congrats, Zachary. Yep, he's his first. There you go. Very nice. All right, guys. Recap time. These boxes will come in handy. Trust me. As soon as we get those cards that have those packs that have like national treasures with the what do they call them? Booklets. We're gonna love the hell out of that. Wow. All right, let's get some recap done.
Want the numbers or you just autos?
Just doing the autos. 37 of 99, Mike Bowman, green. Congrats, Baltimore. KC, Gerard Gonzalez for the first KC rookie auto, or first Bowman, I should say. Kevin Kendall, 63 of 100, cracked ice for the New York Mets. Congratulations to Chicago Cubs for a redemption of Christian Franklin. Speaking of Cubs, we have Lehman Spence, first auto. Edinson Paulino for Boston Red Sox, first Bowman auto. TJ Friedel, green to 99, 58 to 99.
What? Tyler, get rid of them.
Hot girls here, what? They waited till we finished at least. Respect. Willie Fanas, first for New York Mets auto. Yendry Rojas, first, San Diego. There you go, Zachary. There's a A's Junior Perez, 122 of 155. Little blue mojo action for the A's. Nice refractor auto. Jack Herman for the Pittsburgh Pirates, which is also Zachary. Jack Herman first. A CJ Rodriguez for the A's, 95 of 499 chrome. A Ivan Johnson insert auto for the Cincinnati Reds, I believe. Yep. Cooper Bowman, New York Yankees auto. A Nathan Hickey, Boston Red Sox, 105 to 150 blue lava wave or whatever they call this. 150, very nice looking card. Anthony Gutierrez, Texas. Zach, again, Anthony, check that out. You got a nice Anthony Gutierrez, Texas auto, 85 of 99, green refractor. Alex DeJesus for LA. And certainly, look at that. Beautiful Zavala to 50. All right, guys, thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow for our final breaks of 2022. Hope to catch you tomorrow. Zach, good to see you as always. Hot Girls, good to see you. Tyler, thank you so much. Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone. Have a good night.